All right, folks, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at making money online fast, my top 3 ways, and then I'm going to have some bonus ways at the end of the video as well. So stay tuned for that. But first, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I make videos about making money online, and I also have my #1 recommendation for making money online as well. There's a link in the video description for that as well. It's the first link up there you see. So let's dive into this, folks. First up, we have Fiverr.com, where you can do freelance work. There's so many different things you can do here. If you're creative, you can do logo designs and brochures, make book covers, album covers, vector tracing, presentations, make t-shirts and stuff like that. Photoshop editing, there's digital marketing, crowdfunding, mobile advertising, email marketing, SEO kind of stuff, writing and translation. You have script writing, all kind of stuff, speech writing. There's video editing. Any of these things here, folks, if you have a skill set that you can really promote, and you can really make some decent money. It used to be $5 for every gig, but now there's like, starting at $35, starting at $140. Make a WordPress website, do whatever, and you just kind of build up a little fan base. And once you get going, you can even charge more after you get some really good feedback. But you got to get started, folks. Any of this stuff I'm mentioning today, you actually got to put time and work in to do. So check this out. This is Fiverr.com, and plus there's so many other websites that do this. I'm just mentioning this one because it's one of the top ones out there, folks, and there's a link in the video description below. Next up is Dropshipping, folks. Here's a site that's going to show you, pretty much train you how to do all this stuff and find products. Salehoo here. They have so much stuff. Basically, drop shipping. You're finding products for sale. Example here, these glasses. You buy it for like close to $9, sell it for $26, and you make a $17 profit. So that's drop shipping, folks. This website here has all about 1,800 or 8,000 suppliers, worldwide suppliers, and things like that. So you can pretty much find any product, just type it in, whatever you have a product for idea for. And then there's market research, and then there's training, and then there's all this other stuff here, dropshipper suppliers, wholesale suppliers. So yeah, really cool, folks. You want to check this out. I believe it's only $67 for the whole year if you sign up for this to get the training and all their expertise and all their help, the support, the training and support here. There's just so much stuff here. It's well worth the investment. That's pretty cheap, folks. When you think about having a business, you can start for $67 for the whole year of this service, and it's completely cool. And you can take a tour here, look at all this stuff here. There's a link in the video description below, as I said. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This is the #1 thing that I do. This is a site that I use called Wealthy Affiliate. If you click on my link in the video description below, you're going to find a site that looks pretty much just like this. You're going to see a little greeting from me here. Say, hey, whatever. All you do is put your email address in and get started. There's no credit card needed or anything to sign up. There's no risk. For this thing, you get 2 free websites to start off with, free training, a free membership. And the free training is really in depth. And if you don't want to upgrade to the premium membership, you're definitely going to know that by going through the free training. Once you go through the free training, then you have a time to decide if you want to upgrade to premium. You can still keep your free websites and everything. If you don't, that's cool as well. But I think, if you really want to get to affiliate marketing, this is one of the top places, and one I recommend that I use myself to learn affiliate marketing and all this stuff in web hosting, because they're like a one-stop shop. They have the web hosting here built in. They have a huge community of people. I learned so much just from the members here, and you're going to learn so much from the members here as well, including myself. Like I said, if you use my link, I'm going to contact you pretty much right away. It's set up automatically, and we'll be in touch to create a dialogue. If you have any questions, you can ask me anything you want about this, the service here. There's just so much stuff here. Real people feedback, all the tools and stuff you need to succeed. Like I said, the website, expert coaching, there's keyword research tools. Basically, the affiliate marketing is kind of like you're just selling other people's products. Amazon.com, for example, here. You scroll down to the bottom of Amazon, you're going to see a link that says become an affiliate. You're going to sign up for the affiliate program. You're not going to want to sign up now. I hit the wrong link there, but you're going to want to wait till you get some training and have a website built, because Amazon will not accept you if you don't already have a website or a following or something like on YouTube or something. You have to apply and be accepted. So just signing up right now is not going to do anything. I would wait until you have your websites and everything like that. But there's other services you can use, like ClickBank, for example. All these different categories here, folks. Education, employment, jobs, fiction, food, wine, games, pretty much anything you could think of. And pretty much every company has an affiliate program these days. Like, you know, Apple, like eBay, all these companies have affiliate programs that well, iTunes Store does. I don't know if Apple itself does for computers and stuff, but there's pretty much every brand, any product you could think of pretty much has an affiliate program. And then, so if you're making a website about this, or you have a YouTube channel about this particular product, then you can market those things to your users or your readers or your followers or whoever, and pretty much you make a commission every time a sale is made as well. So pretty cool. And here are some bonus ways to make money online, folks. This is something that's going to overlap here. I have 2 blog posts that I've done recently that I'll put in the links for in the description is below. 10 home-based business opportunities you can start with no money. So check this out, and this will be updated from time to time as well. So I already mentioned affiliate marketing and drop shipping, but blogging, creating a YouTube channel, working for Amazon, creating and selling your own merchandise, selling crafts and arts, stuff like that, publishing your own books, creating your own online courses and stuff like that. There's just a bunch of stuff here, folks. You can look at this blog post for more ideas. And then I have one for Amazon as well. 7 different ways to make money on Amazon. These are all, except for the Flex, where you actually have to deliver products. They're all pretty much work at home jobs. So selling merchandise, you know, I mentioned this, the Amazon Associates is the affiliate marketing stuff, so I already mentioned that. Some of them overlap. And drop shipping on here too. You can drop ship on Amazon. I mentioned that, kind of overlaps. But there's other opportunities on here as well, folks. So check that out, folks. Like I said before, you know, any of these things that you're going to do, you're definitely going to want to put the time in. You just can't put like a month in and then quit and then do it or something else and put a month into that and quit. You got to put the time in, folks, to become successful at any of this stuff. It's going to take time. It's going to take effort. It's going to take some, you know, learning new things. You know, that's just the way it is. You know, you're not going to do it overnight. You're not going to do it in a month. You probably won't do it in 2 months. You have to put the time in, learn the system, and stick with it long enough to really learn it and make some money off of it, folks. Because, you know, there's all these different opportunities here. And one thing I see people doing is they jump around from opportunities. 1 week they're doing this, 1 week they're doing that. And like they're just scattered all over the place. And I've done this too in the past myself. I know from my own experience, and I see other people doing it. I'm like, no, you got to stick with one thing. You know, if you're gonna do drop shipping, stay with drop shipping. Give it a year. You know, if you're gonna do affiliate marketing, give it a year. Don't say, you know, I'm gonna do this, you know, for a month and then get frustrated and then quit. That's not how it works, folks. Anyways, I'm rambling on. check out my #1 recommendation again as well. Subscribe to the channel. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.